How to use a Meta Quest gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use or redeem a Meta Quest gift card. So let's say you have a Meta Quest gift card and now you want to redeem it. So what you'll have to do is first of all, download and open the Meta Quest app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the menu option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to the menu page where you'll have to tap on the option wallet. After that, you'll basically see three different options. Tap on the third one, which is add a gift card. And now, where it says gift card code, simply enter the code of your Meta Quest gift card, and once you tap on the option redeem, you'll be successfully able to redeem or use a Meta Quest gift card. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.